Saskia Efi Nazwa. Now I'm in East Aceh Regency Government Building. So my current plan is I'm going to go to the oldest building in East Aceh. And this building also proves that tolerance is truly enforced in East Aceh. So if you are curious, please keep on watching and don't miss it. Okay? So guys, this is the building that I said at the opening. This is a monastery. Now I wanna try to enter to this monastery. Actually, I'm so excited. So let's explore the inside of the monastery. The oldest building that I said at the opening was a monastery. It was established in 1880 under the Kingdom of Edi, which at that time was led by Tuanku Cik bin Guci with a construction period of 73.
Damn!
Wow, that's so long! Can you imagine that this building was standing even before Indonesia's independence? So guys, jadi ini adalah ibu yang memegang kunci dari vihara ini. Namanya siapa bu? Chong Lijang. Jadi selama vihara ini berdiri sudah pernah direnovasi?
Sudah, dia peresmian kan bulan 9 tanggal 9 2014.
Siapa itu yang meresmikan?
Itu yang ketua kita Pak Rudi.
Jadi bapak itu sekarang tinggal di mana? Di sini.
Jakarta ini.
Makasih ya.
Sama-sama.
So guys, this is the monastery. It proves that even though Aceh upholds Islamic Sharia value, of course it still upholds the value of tolerance in religion. And so do it the Idris, even though they live in Muslim majority area, but that doesn't mean they can survive, they can grow up, in fact they can live in society. So guys, that's all about the information of the monastery. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at @SaskiaEpi__. Thank you.